Welcome to another lessons and profits video. What did we learn from the past week? Specialist markets can offer the potential for big returns. Here we use the half-time market. Whenever you see an underdog scoring an early goal, think half-time market. You've got a time limit, and with a time limit you get better odds. Here I like doing 3 scorelines in a half-time score market, loading up profit on the 2-1 and any unquoted, but taking a marginal gain if we get that equaliser in this particular instance. Here's another look at the half-time score market, and again, it's a similar story. I'm just looking for a single goal from my favourite side, which is Brighton, before half-time. I'm hoping that they will click and score 2 or more before half-time. But as long as we just get the 1 goal, we're not going to lose. But it will open up the possibility, as you can see, for a far better return on the 2-0 and any unquoted. Another one in the half-time score market. This is when it gets right. I've used my system again. I've just put a marginal profit on the 1-0, bigger on the 2-0, and bigger yet on any unquoted, which when it was last traded was at a high of 38. So you can really fill your boots. As you can see, it paid off in this particular instance with the 78 quid profit to a £10 stake. Not too shabby. All in the half-time score markets. Derbies or derby style matches can be very unpredictable. What do I mean by derby style? Well, derby style, I would say something like Atalanta v AC Milan, Juventus v Inter Milan, Liverpool v Man United, Arsenal v Chelsea. Well, that's a London derby. They're not geographical derbies, but they're high-profile matches which can sometimes be difficult to rely on the form lines. Similar story with the derbies, you can see here with Chelsea. The market didn't expect it. 1.67 favourites pre-match, Chelsea losing 0-2. That's the epitome of a derby. And I foolishly got involved. I normally leave derbies alone. As you can see here, I was tempted in and I lost my stake. A new market to possibly help us cover multiple scorelines. It's to both teams to score. No market. Have a think, how would you use this market and what scorelines does it cover? A rare full liability loss here. I'm not going to hide or cherry pick. This was a loss. Take it on the chin. It's a rarity. We've got a Legia Warsaw side here. Very, very short priced favourites. Expected to dominate. In-play stats looked excellent, but Stal Milik didn't read the script. So here's the match. Why would I have made a full loss? Well, Legia Warsaw, very, very short priced favourites at home, expected to win and win easily. Looking at their opponents coming into this match with 4 consecutive defeats, so we weren't expecting much, but they take the lead. So that's your opening gambit, is to lay over 1.5 goals, cover the 0-1 and look at Legia Warsaw equalising. But no, 0-2, that brings us into a lost position. I decided to load up because the Legia Warsaw in-play stats were excellent. Load up in the match odds at 0-2 down by backing Legia and laying Stal. But no, 0-3. And then we get that goal from Legia Warsaw in the 89th minute to make it 1-3. 1-3 is your killer scoreline. It's a real rarity for such a short price favourite at home. So we will get losses, but full liability losses, but it's a rarity. Onwards and upwards though. Here's a match where I decided to do a Gareth. It's a Gareth Bale. Gareth Bale out. I set up this match specifically so I would be looking at West Ham to get a goal for me, but they weren't playing ball. I was getting a little worried, so I decided to get out of one market and get out of another market, and together produce about a break-even result. It's a good technique to have. You can get out of the match before it's over without losing. Using the correct score market can cover certain danger score lines. Now we've got a couple of danger score lines here, the 1-2s. Now this is what I call insurance. I'm covering the 1-2 using a specific technique involving 2 or 3 other markets as well. So despite this showing a loss, I wasn't looking to profit on 1-2. I was using the market to cover the 1-2 scoreline should that eventuate. Late play first half and second half. Keep liabilities low because the clock's not your friend. Yet again, I'm not hiding any losses. Here, you don't risk, you don't get reward. Look at the liabilities, very low indeed. I like laying late on. It's low liability, it's big potential reward. Doesn't always come off, but look at the returns when it does come off. Quite high and easily absorbing these marginal liabilities. Go to footballtradingprofits.com, sign up for free for your free e-letter and training video. Wait for the pop-up box and then you'll see this free trading course. Do sign up, give you a head start into the world of football trading, and you'll also be signed up for our weekly e-letter where we take a look at the weekend's football upcoming, what's happened the week before, what lessons we've learnt, what profits we've made, and any new elements that we might have uncovered through our live chat webinars. So do please join up. You can join the Football Trading Profits community website for free. Football-trading-profits.mn.co. You'll see this page here. Click on join. Look forward to seeing you there. What would you get here? You get your free trading course, and twice a month you'll be getting free access to my live chat webinars, which can produce a very decent return on a Saturday or Sunday. Look forward to seeing you there, and I'll see you again in the next Lessons and Profits video.